said somebody had tried to snake it?
Yes. We'll probably down more.
Oh, okay. Give it a flush. And tell me if it's good.
The last time I flush it when the guy do it and...
You got a dirty this thing. It's not allowing the water to do it all right. You see the difference? Like brand new. Cool here. So when you press this one, it's one flush. And you press this one, then you get a regular flush. Alright, yep, you know how to flush it. See? I just showed you how to do it.
Okay, yeah.
Back to
looks
normal?
Like it's fine.
Alright.
I'm not sure.
So you can see this lock is broken, it doesn't turn at all. So we're gonna upgrade to yeah, don't worry about it. Don't worry, I'll take care of it. So put the plug more on this side, right? So it could just hang that way. All right, so you see these changed colors. These are really nice.